Hey you guys, so today's episode we're going to talk about permanent makeup brow pain levels and what to expect. So first of all, different types of procedures hurt differently, of course. Personally, through the 7 years that I've been doing this, microblading always hurts more than anything with a needle. So nano brows, the ombre powder is definitely going to hurt less than the actual blade. Now, the needles for your body tattoos versus your brow tattoos is a lot bigger than your brow tattoos. So it's the brows, we use anywhere from like a 0.20 to a 0.35 diameter, which is not even a full one diameter as the body needle. So it is supposed to definitely hurt less than the body tattoo when you get your brows done. But if you've never had a body tattoo before, of course it's going to hurt you more. Now, for your brows, numbing is used, so that's great news, right? But a lot of artists don't like to do the first numb versus the second numb because the first numb doesn't work half the time and it's a totally different numb than when your brows are, your skin is already opened up. And that is because the first numb, you let it sit for 20 minutes and it's a hit or miss with each client. So it just really depends on the client. If they have difficulty numbing at the dental office before they get their teeth pulled, then they will have difficulty numbing in the 20-minute numb. Clients' medications have a lot to do with it. If they exfoliate their skin or not, that has a lot to do with it. So just a lot to do with it. So a lot of artists don't like to use the first numb, which is fine, but the second numb is mostly always likely used by every artist. And that just means that if they don't use the first numb, you'll feel it a little bit for just the first pass. So whatever it takes for your artist to open the skin up in that first pass is usually done in like 5 minutes for both brows. So that would be the most of your pain. It's just in that first pass. So it kind of feels like, let's say if you get the microblading, it feels like scraping and then you hear like a Velcro noise. I know, it's like, it's cringy. But that's the most painful. It's the microblading, okay? It's the most painful. And as far as like the nano brows or the ombre powder brows, you'll feel more like a lot of poking, you know, and stinging maybe. A lot of pressure because we're stretching your skin, so we're like holding your skin so tight to try to get like a pixelated or an even line. So you'll feel pressure and stinging and like a lot of poking. If you've never had a body tattoo before, it feels like a body tattoo but on your face pretty much, and just with a lot smaller needle. So after the procedure, of course, the numbing subside and you will start feeling some burning and maybe a little redness because the numbing does take the redness away. But you are more than likely, you are more than welcome to take a Tylenol or something after your procedure. Pain levels is really different for everybody, okay? So not everybody will feel pain. Some can tolerate it better than others. It's just like anything in this world that makes you have like a needle, like if you get a shot or if you get a body tattoo, some people just hurt more than others. It's the same exact thing with your brows. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I'll see you in the next one.